Cough, cold, and wheeze. How to help manage your child's bronchiolitis. 4-year-old Sam got a cold, which quickly spread to 20-month-old Kira. After a few days, Kira's symptoms became worse. She wasn't sleeping well and woke up several times during the night coughing. Her nose was runny and she had a slight fever. Kira's dad stayed home with his children. He tried feeding Kira, but she wouldn't eat or drink. Kira continued coughing. Her breathing was fast, and she started wheezing. Wheezing is a high-pitched whistling sound made when breathing. Kira's dad could hear her wheezing. He also noticed skin sucking in around her neck and between her ribs. Kira's dad was worried about her breathing. He called their family doctor but could not get a same-day appointment, so he decided to take her to the emergency department. You should seek emergency care if your child looks blue around the lips, has difficulty breathing, or shows signs of indrawing. Look for sucking in of the skin above the collarbone or between or below the ribs. Is breathing very fast? Is less than 3 months old and has a fever? Is very sleepy and difficult to wake up, or is dehydrated. Signs of dehydration include less pee than usual, dry mouth, sunken eyes, lack of tears, and generally looking unwell. In babies, look for a sunken fontanelle, a soft spot on their head, no wet diapers, or less pee than usual. If you are unsure what to do, try calling HealthLink. You can also go to an urgent care center or Mediclinic, or visit your nearest emergency department. At the emergency department, a nurse checked Kira's temperature, breathing, and oxygen levels. The doctor said Kira had bronchiolitis, which is common during the winter months. Bronchiolitis is a viral infection that affects the lungs and airways. The infection makes the small airways, or bronchioles, swell and fill with mucus, making it hard for your child to breathe. It is commonly caused by a virus called RSV, respiratory syncytial virus. Bronchiolitis mainly affects children under 2 because their airways are small. Children older than 2 typically have symptoms similar to a common cold, which is why Sam didn't seem as sick as Kira. There is no medication to treat bronchiolitis, but supportive care is used to help manage symptoms. Because bronchiolitis is caused by a virus, antibiotics do not help. Some children with severe bronchiolitis may need oxygen, or they may need fluids to help with dehydration. If your child needs oxygen or extra fluids, they will likely need to stay in the hospital for a few days. If your child has bronchiolitis, here's how to help manage their symptoms at home. Keep your child sitting or upright when possible. This may help them to breathe easier. Clean out your child's nose often, especially before feeding and sleeping. Use a nasal aspirator and salt water or saline solution. A cool mist humidifier may also help lessen congestion. Offer plenty of fluids throughout the day. Your child may not want to drink or eat much, but try to keep them hydrated as possible. Sometimes taking small and frequent sips helps. Use children's acetaminophen or ibuprofen to help relieve fever and discomfort. Always follow the directions on the bottle. If your child's symptoms do not improve, consider visiting your family doctor. Return to the emergency department if your child has trouble breathing, or is breathing very fast, looks blue around the lips, is dehydrated, or is very sleepy and difficult to wake up. To prevent spreading the infection to others, the nurse recommended washing hands often and regularly disinfecting surfaces and toys. She also recommended keeping Kira at home until her symptoms improved and avoiding exposure to smoke or other tobacco products. Kira and Sam's parents took turns staying home with their kids. After a few days, Sam was able to go back to preschool. Kira's symptoms lasted longer and she had a cough for almost 3 weeks, but she was finally able to return to daycare and her parents went back to work. Remember, bronchiolitis is a common viral infection that is easily spread. Most children will get better within 7 to 10 days. Some symptoms, such as a cough, can last up to 3 weeks.